In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a test email in MailerLite, step by step, so you can preview exactly what your campaign will look like before it lands in your subscribers' inboxes. MailerLite is one of the most user-friendly email marketing platforms out there, and sending a test email is a crucial quality check that helps you catch formatting issues, broken links, or content errors before you hit send on a live broadcast. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log in to your MailerLite account. Open your preferred browser, navigate to MailerLite.com, and click the login button typically found in the top right corner of the page. Enter the email address and password associated with your MailerLite account. Then click Login again to access your main dashboard. This is the command center where you manage all your subscribers, campaigns, automations, and forms. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The left-hand sidebar will be your primary navigation tool throughout this process. Now, let's move to the Campaigns section. On the left side of your dashboard, you'll see a vertical navigation menu with several icons and labels. Click on Campaigns. It's usually represented by a paper plane or envelope icon. This page displays all the campaigns you've created, whether they're drafts, scheduled, sent, or paused. Take a quick glance through the list to find the specific campaign you'd like to test. If you haven't created a campaign yet, don't worry. You can quickly build a new one by clicking the Create Campaign button in the top right, selecting your preferred campaign type, and following the setup wizard. For this tutorial, though, I'll assume you already have a campaign ready to go. Just click on the campaign title to open it. With your campaign open, you'll need to access the email editor. This is where the magic happens, the visual builder or classic editor that lets you design your email content. Depending on how you set up your campaign, you might already be in the editor view. If not, look for a button or tab that says Edit Content, Design, or Open Editor. Click on that to enter the email composition area. Here you can review all your elements. Your subject line, pre-header text, body copy, images, buttons, and any dynamic content like subscriber names. Take a moment to scroll through the entire email to ensure everything looks polished, because this is your last chance to make tweaks before testing. Remember, the test email will reflect exactly what's in this editor, so double-check your links, alt text, and mobile responsiveness now. Now it's time to access the test email option. Look at the upper right corner of the editor interface. You should see a button labeled Preview and Test, or sometimes just Preview. Click on it, and a drop-down menu or pop-up window will appear with several testing and preview options. MailerLite offers ways to see how your email renders on desktop, mobile, and tablet. But what we're after is the option that says Send Test Email. Click on that. This will open a small dialog box where you can specify who should receive your test copy. It's a straightforward but powerful feature. Being able to see the actual email in your personal inbox, with live links and images, is hands down the best way to confirm your campaign is polished and functional. Next, enter the recipient email address. Type the email address where you want to receive the test. This could be your own work email, a personal account, or a colleague's address for a second pair of eyes. Make sure you type it carefully. A typo here means you won't get the test, and you'll be left wondering what went wrong. MailerLite also allows you to add additional test recipients by clicking the plus icon or typing multiple addresses separated by commas, depending on the interface version. This is especially useful if you want a team member or client to review the design before it goes live. Once you've entered all the addresses you need, confirm the recipient list by reviewing it in the box. Some users forget to uncheck the Send Test to Account Owner option if it's selected by default, so just be aware of that setting and adjust if necessary. Now for the moment of truth. Sending the test. Click the button that says Send Test. MailerLite will process your request and deliver the email to the addresses you specified. This usually happens within a few seconds, but on rare occasions, it might take a minute if the system is busy. After you click, look for a confirmation message, often a green banner or a small notification that says something like, Test email sent successfully. That's your cue that the email is on its way. Now switch over to your email inbox and check for the message. It may land in your primary tab, Promotions tab, or even spam, so search for the sender name or subject line if you don't see it immediately. Open the test email and review it thoroughly. Click every link to ensure it goes to the right page, check image loading, verify that any personalization tags like subscriber first names rendered correctly, and look at how the email displays on both desktop and mobile view if you can. This is your final quality assurance step, and it can save you from embarrassing mistakes. By this point, you've successfully sent a test email in MailerLite and confirmed your campaign is ready for the world. The benefit here is huge. You now have the confidence that your subscribers will see a clean, professional, and error-free email. As a best practice, I recommend always sending at least one test email to yourself before any broadcast, even if you're just making a small tweak. Also, consider keeping a dedicated test email list for quick checks across different devices. If you found this tutorial helpful, save the video or bookmark it so you can revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next MailerLite guide.